Because if you cannot lead yourself, you cannot lead other people. Right? Pag dili mo kaya i-lead mo sarili, you can't lead other people. You are the CEO of your life. Chief Executive Officer. Ikaw ang boss, magbuhat sa mga decision. You call the shots. And here's the thing, brothers and sisters. If you're the CEO, it only means that you can't resign. Kinsa gusto na mo resign dali sa kinabuhi? Raise your hands. Di ba? Pag ikaw ang CEO, you can't resign. Some people nag-act sila that they can step down. Mag-step down sila, mag-resign sila, and let others run their life. And that is the reason, dagang kaimingon sila, bahala ni si mama, bahala ni si papa, bahala ni si Lord, bahala na kong partner, bahala na kong boss. Ang pinaka-worst sa tanan, guys, damayo nila si Batman, bahala ni si Batman. You also have to understand na si Batman, usap po na siya katao lang. Ang tanawa isulti ni Batman si mo, kayo munang bahala, may problema din ako. Guys, luoy kayo si Batman, di na to i-blame, di na to ipasa tanan siya problema, ha? Kayo tell the person beside you, ayaw ipasa ka Batman.